Hey everyone, this is Miss Ishani, and today we'll be solving one past year paper question. So, this question is of trigonometry and it appeared in the AAHL paper of this question is of paper 2. So, I'll give you a detailed explanation of how to solve this question. So, it is a 5 marker question. So, let's see and how we can proceed for this. So you can pause this video to read the question properly, and I'm giving you the detailed solution for it. Okay, so let's solve the first part of this question first. So we have to show that the thing on the left hand side is equal to 3 plus 11 sine x minus 6 sine square x. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to take the left hand side first. So 3 cos 2x plus 11 sine x. So this is our left hand side. Now what we are going to do, we have cos of 2x over here. So we are going to use the double angle identity. So we know that the double angle identity is equals to cos of 2x equals 1 minus 2 sine square x. So we are going to substitute this over here. So when we'll substitute, it will become 1 minus 2 sine square x plus 11 sine x. Now what we are going to do, we are going to just open the brackets and solve it. So it will be 3 minus 6 sine square x plus 11 sine of x. Now when you'll rearrange it, you'll get whatever is written on your right hand side. So this is like we have proved that thing on the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now let's go to the next part, which is that we have to solve this equation. Now let me just readjust the screen. Okay, so the second part is that there's an equation given to us, which is 3 cos of 2x plus 11 sin x minus 6 equals 0, and we have to solve this equation where we have to see that x lies between 0 degrees and 180 degrees, where 0 and 180 are included. Okay, so see here in the first part we will use the answer from here. Okay, so what we are going to do, using part A, we are going to substitute here. So I have just rewritten it as 3 plus 11 sine x minus 6 sine square x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, now let me just solve this. And how I'm going to solve this, so what I have done, I have just substituted the values over here. Okay, from part A. All right, so this will become negative 3 plus 11 sine of x minus 6 sine square x equals 0. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rearrange this. So after rearranging, it will become minus 6 sine square x plus 11 sine x minus 3 equals 0. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this whole equation by negative 1. So if I'll multiply this whole equation by negative 1, it will become 6 sine square x minus 11 sine x plus 3 equals 0. Now, what we are going to do, we have a quadratic equation in sin x, right? So what I'm going to do, I'll take another variable, let's take it as y, and I'll assume it as sin x. So now I am changing my quadratic equation in sin x to this variable which I have taken here, which is y. So this will become 6y squared minus 11y plus 3 equals 0. Now when you'll factor this equation, you'll get two factors for y. So when you factor this out, you'll get the factors as y equals 1 over 3 or y equals 3 over 2. Now this value of y will be rejected. Why? Because we have sin x is less than equals to 1. So we'll take the value of y as 1 over 3. So let's substitute the value of y to get our values in x. So I'll substitute sine of x equals 1 over 3. So my x will be sine inverse of 1 over 3, which is approximately equals to 19.5 degrees. Okay, so okay, so is the answer complete over here? No. Why it is not complete? Because this is like the first solution for x that we are getting. Because we know that from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, sine is positive in both quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So this is the value of the first quadrant. Now, the second solution for this will be x equals 180 minus 19.5 degrees, because we have the value of sine in the second quadrant as well. So it will be equals to 160.5 degrees. So you'll be getting two solutions for x. So the final solution is 19.5 degrees and the second solution is 160.5 degrees, and you can box this value so that your answer is truly visible. So this was like a detailed solution of the trigonometry question that appeared in the paper AAHL. So this is paper 2, and below, like in the description box, we have the link to our WhatsApp group as well, and you can join it. And we are also running some courses, topic wise courses, and a list of various other courses which you can check out, and you can DM us. We have all the details below in the description box. We'll meet again then. Okay, bye bye. Take care.